Hi, I'm David Stringer, and welcome back to the Diplomat Challenge. The Diplomat Challenge is all about customizing my car to represent the fun and excitement of our industry, all the while meeting some really cool people behind the scenes. During our #Diplomat ride, the Diplomat got a little dirty, so we stopped at Adam's Polishes to pamper the Diplomat and to have Adam Patale join us for our in-car interviews. Adam's Polishes offers top-of-the-line vehicle detailing products for any dirt spots on your vehicle. From car washes to protective coatings, Adam's Polishes has you covered.
So the Diplomat showed up after some snow, and you drove it through every kind of weather in the world. So first thing we had to do is just pressure wash the snot out of it. And then we had to use a clay mitt. A clay mitt is to pull all the contaminants off the finish, anything that was making it bumpy. So I would imagine that this car probably had not been detailed under your ownership.
In a quarter mile, continue on to Golden Gate Avenue.
Go for just, that was our guess.
You're taking a wild guess?
Yeah, I'm just guessing that it hadn't been detailed once.
So we're here at Adam's Polishes. We just arrived, and I'm going to talk to Tyler here. Tyler, tell me your full name and what you do here at Adam's Polishes.
My name is Tyler Clark, and I'm one of the detailers here at the Shine Stop.
And so, in detailing cars, what's the one thing that you would tell a basic guy like me who drives around, the Diplomat? What can I do to keep my car looking the best?
The ceramic coating is by far the best way to go to protect your car and keeping it look new. So from getting that coated and upkeeping it from there is probably the best thing you can do.
So would that be something I would do when I first bought the car, or maybe own the car for a little while and then?
No, the sooner the better. Absolutely, you want to get that coating on there as soon as possible. So.
Okay, and what does that do, physically to the car?
Literally, you're putting a coating of glass over your clear coat. It's the best way to protect your car.
And then we, when we went ahead and wiped it and cleaned it, we recognized that this vehicle had some significant scratches from the car wash. We ended up, we had to sand the car, so we sanded your entire car.
Now, tell me about that. When you say you sanded the car, it just makes, I've sanded wood and I've sanded paint off of wood. Mm-hmm. When you sand it, are you actually taking the paint off?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Clear coat.
Okay.
We had to take a micro, because you had such severe scratches, and we literally, we don't sand but a 1/3 of 1% of the cars.
No,
it was just
but
funny.
I don't think I'm such an atypical car owner that I go to the car wash every 2 weeks or so.
Yeah.
It goes through, they wash it. It's not like
there's the touchless car wash, there's the touch car wash, and this is the brushes.
Yeah.
And the brushes damaged your car so significantly, plus your car never had protection on it. It was never waxed or sealed or anything, so it was just beating the death out of it with really beating it with all of those tools, those brushes, without anything keeping it from scratching.
Right.
So it just got really rushed. And your particular car wash is must be one of the worst, just because we don't see them. Another thing is, a lot of our customers, your car, you're not like worried about it. You're not like wiping it off and cleaning it. You know, our typical customer cares and really tries to maintain their car.
So you're saying I don't care?
I'm saying that you have not made it a priority in your life. That you have
such a nice way to say that.
You have children, you have a wife, you have a business, and you have a lot of things.
And tell me about your passion for the business.
Well, I've been detailing for about 10 years now, like I said, and I always grew up, loving cars, and I got into it.
Well, you did a fantastic job on my car.
Thank you.
It was amazing, and I really appreciate everything that you did to help the Diplomat Challenge.
Absolutely, anytime.
Tyler and his team really crushed it to prepare us for our in-car interview series, #Diplomat Ride. Inside and out, they took great care in making the Diplomat shine. Tell me again your sort of origin story.
My parents got split up. My mom started dating this guy who was a cyclist. And his name was Mike Garst, Dr. Mike Garst. And he had done a distance ride. I think it was a 100-mile bike ride. And then he left his bike at our house after he after the ride. So I liked Mike, and I really wanted my mom to be happy because, so I want Mike to stick around. So I take his bike, I go ahead and take it apart, and I clean it.
At what age?
I'm 10. I took off the wheels, I took off the chain. I didn't pull the cranks and the bottom bracket out, but I took it apart enough where I could thoroughly clean it. The chain was really gunked up, and I end up with a pretty clean bike, and Mike comes and sees his bike, and he's blown away. He ended up going back and telling everyone at this work that I'm really this prodigy bikes, manual labor cleaner kid. So my mom helped me design she really helped me do the whole thing, Adam's Bicycle Repair and Cleaning, a little sign. It ends up being a pretty good deal. Then I realized that, cleaning things is pretty good, but this whole waiting on mom to get home with the bikes thing was a drag. I started doing car washing, neighborhood car washing, just going door to door and, hey, I see you washing your car right now, and I'm no offense. Oh, maybe I'm probably 11, 10, 11.
Okay, so it's still 10, 11. Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, that little business went pretty well, and I kept doing that. So it takes a lot of time to drive.
Yeah.
Your drive time is too much.
Right.
For your detail time, because Southern California is a traffic nightmare.
Right.
So I started thinking about fleet detailing, like going to one place doing lots of vehicles.
Yeah.
And by doing that, I could probably get more business. So I went around to these limousine companies. Sometimes they have to wash these things multiple times a day. Mm-hmm. They always have to be clean.
Yeah.
So it was almost as bad as your car was. Scratched to death, Really, the bottom line, the limousines must look good. They have to look clean. So I went and did a free detail for 6 limousine companies. And I think all but one, I became their detailer.
Nice.
And I said, just let me show you what I can do. And, one guy just didn't care, This guy just didn't care about the condition of his cars. He was not a high image guy, even though he's limousine business.
Now tell me, this will tell you how similar we are or are not. That one guy still bothers you today, doesn't it?
I just don't understand how he could be in the limousine business and not be an image freak. He should be an image maniac. That limousine business became pretty.
I bet that blew up pretty fast.
It did. It worked out to be pretty good. And then this guy walks up to me and he says, "Hey Adam, hey." This guy has iridium Oakley blades on, right?
Yeah.
He's at the end of his cigar, big fat cigar, just gnawing on it. He goes, he's got his hat on backwards, long hair, big belly, probably 60-year-old guy or so. Goes, hey, I got this problem, man. I got this problem. I go, all right, what's going on? He goes, I got all my trucks. They're all red, and they're all turning pink. I can't even afford to put tires on these trucks anymore because my whole budget's going to repainting these trucks. It's driving me crazy. This guy's all animated. Oh, by the way, he's also at the end of his 16-ounce beer at 10 a.m., right? So he's partying at 10 a.m.
Nice.
He's got a cigar, beer.
You have to respect that.
Oh, absolutely. High levels. Anyway, he goes, I go, well, give me your business card. I'm a detailer. I've been detailing for my whole life. Not that my whole life was that long at that point. I was 25 years old or 26 years old. He goes, I don't have a business card. I go, okay. He goes, give me one of your business cards. Okay. So I give him one of my business cards. He flips it over, writes his address down and his phone number. He goes, I want you there Monday morning. I go, Monday morning? South Central LA. Whatever, South Central Avenue, Los Angeles, California. I'm thinking traffic driving into LA first thing in the morning. I'm like, all right, yeah, well, I'll be there. Anyway, it ends up happening. I show up, I pull into this address, and it's the Coca-Cola bottling plant. And I'm like, you're freaking kidding me. That is unbelievable. I could not believe it.
So now you're detailing Coca-Cola trucks?
Yeah.
They were pickup trucks, or they were the, heavy duty?
Yeah, tractor trailers, delivery trucks.
Oh my God.
Adam and I continued the hashtag Diplomat ride in style, picking up great accessory leaders like Rick Reichart, Paul Allred, Jason Walsh, and more. Catch our full interviews with them in our Diplomat Ride series. Thank you to Adam Patale, Tyler Clark, and the Adams Polishes team for going above and beyond for the Diplomat. If you would like to learn more about vehicle personalization and what it can do for your dealership, contact us at insigniagroup.com. If you would like to contribute to the Diplomat Challenge, contact us in the comments below and send us a message about what you would like to add to the Diplomat to make it more exciting. I'm David Stringer, and this has been the Diplomat Challenge, and we'll see you on the next episode.